Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links and commands we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to fix Open Roblox when it's not working in laptop. To start, in the search box, enter Control. Click on Uninstall a program. There, select Roblox Player and click on Uninstall. Wait for this process to complete. After this, enter CMD in the search box and click on Run as administrator. Click Yes to access. Using the cd command, enter the local Appdata path. Now, enter the command rmdir /s followed by Roblox. Press enter and you must enter the letter Y to confirm. After this, you will go to the link in the video description. Click on Download Windows app. Click on the downloaded file and wait for Roblox to install locally. You can have access to Roblox without errors. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.